I am the HVAC Repair Guy, and after 17 years in the field fixing cooling systems, I know what makes a window air conditioner survive a brutal summer heat wave. Today we are looking at two specific window air conditioner units. Keeping homeowners cool right now, we have the Frigidaire FHWW083WBE window air conditioner going head-to-head with the Toshiba RAC-WK0812ESCWR window air conditioner. Both of these are 8,000 BTU window air conditioner units designed to sit in a standard double-hung window frame. Their internal components and physical designs show some major differences when you look closely at the chassis. Looking at the physical installation, the Frigidaire uses a traditional solid metal sleeve design that sits firmly on the windowsill. The Toshiba also features a standard fixed chassis design, meaning neither of these units is a U-shaped or split pocket design. Internally, both the Frigidaire and the Toshiba utilize a traditional non-inverter compressor. A non-inverter compressor operates on a strict on and off cycle. When the thermostat detects a temperature rise, the single-speed compressor draws a surge of electrical current to start up runs at maximum speed and then shuts completely off when the room cools down. This traditional cycling affects your monthly power bills compared to variable speed units, but these two remain highly reliable. The Frigidaire carries a solid energy efficiency ratio, or EER, of 12.1, while the Toshiba operates at an EER of 12.1 as well, when a homeowner tries to sleep at night. Fan noise and compressor vibration matter. The Frigidaire emits a low hum, while the Toshiba keeps the bedroom quiet during the overnight operation. For tech-focused homeowners, both systems include modern control upgrades. The Frigidaire links directly to a smartphone control app via built-in Wi-Fi and responds to voice control smart speakers. The Toshiba also includes Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing a homeowner to adjust the cooling speed from a smartphone app or use the plastic remote on the nightstand. In terms of cost, the Frigidaire averages around $320 retail, while the Toshiba generally sells for about $300. For ongoing maintenance, a homeowner must pull the plastic front panel off to slide out the washable air filter every 2 weeks. You can rinse the dust off this filter in the kitchen sink. You also need to check the outdoor aluminum coils annually for dirt buildup and clear the bottom drain hole, so condensation leaves the chassis properly. For factory protection, Frigidaire provides a 1-year full warranty alongside a 5-year sealed system compressor warranty, and the unit is manufactured in China. Toshiba offers a matching 1-year limited warranty on parts and labor, with their unit also manufactured in China. For this matchup, the Frigidaire FHWW083WBE is the winner because its internal components deliver great real-world reliability and excellent app connectivity for the price.